Welcome to Prepared Leaders, where we'll teach you the secret formula you have been missing when it comes to self-improvement and some leadership tips that will help you climb the ladder of success. In this video, you will learn how to control your mind and how to code it with gratitude to change everything and be successful. There is no elevator. You must climb stairs to reach the top. In the world of success, there is no elevator that takes you to the top. Your mind is under your control. You are responsible for it. It is yours. You are the captain. You are the foreman. You are the master. You are in charge. Don't allow someone to have power over your mind. Get off Instagram and Snap and all these websites and get into something that can genuinely move your life ahead. You must understand that becoming successful is not a magic trick. You can choose to become wealthy. It is really possible. However, you must first consider it. Our perception is what separates successful individuals from unsuccessful people. I am not superior to any of you. You must alter your perspective if you want to succeed. Our mind has to shift. Pay attention to what I have to say. It's not the fact that you don't think it can happen for you that makes it difficult. However, the reality is that it's extremely feasible. Check to see if you need to alter your behavior if you plan to continue on your current path. You'll continue to receive what you've been receiving. As a result, if there is a spot in your life where you are unhappy, you must alter it. However, you must decide on your own that you will change and not rely on anyone else. What your mother thinks is irrelevant. The opinions of your coworkers are irrelevant. The opinions of your siblings are irrelevant. The opinions of your children are irrelevant. That doesn't matter. They are unrelated to it in any way. You are the only one who can make this choice. Let me share a fact with you. You get to choose whether you're going to be wealthy, poor, average, abundant, happy, or unhappy. You must make a choice. What the majority of bloggers have to say is really not that important. Bloggers are not important individuals in reality. They're not shakers and movers. They're not decision makers. They're not power brokers. Therefore, you are wasting time when you spend so much time in that chat world, the Instagram world, or the blog world. You are the most intelligent bunch of young people to emerge in a long time. Since you all have access to technology, millennials are incredibly intelligent. Google is available to everyone. Anything can be found on Google. All of you have resources at your disposal that can help you become great. You cannot eliminate the work ethic component, but if you can combine your technology with your parents' and grandparents' work ethic, you might become wealthy. There is no avoiding it. You must all begin to work hard. I detest watching young people squander their time, waste all that technology has to offer, simply idling in this instantaneous universe that has been constructed for you. It's astonishing how much you depend on and benefit from technology. However, youngsters, you must become tenacious. You must cultivate the dog in you. You must realize that success cannot be searched for on Google. Google it now. Google cannot find it. And before we continue, I'll be giving you time to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time a new video is uploaded. And let's continue. Because I've lived so long and have experienced so much, I have something else to share with you. I've witnessed certain things that I hope you'll never see. I currently lead a convenient life. But getting there requires leading an extremely unpleasant existence. You have to learn to enjoy feeling uncomfortable. Give up attempting to achieve everything quickly. Stop attempting to solve the problem quickly. It won't work. Young individuals must occasionally make mistakes. You must get filthy. You must experience emotional pain. You have to feel let down. You must hear no. You're going to ask somebody for more money. He's going to say no to you. but at least then I can say no if I see someone trying. At the very least, I attempt to give them something else. I'm not going to hand you a fish sandwich. Instead, I'm going to teach you how to fish. You may disregard that. Once you have control of your thoughts, anything is possible. Do you comprehend negativity and are you able to shield yourself from it? And most people are stopped by it. You can shield your mind from negative thoughts by doing so. It's a very easy task to complete. Before I head out the door in the morning, I do it. I therefore leave as a cheerful person. You see, I occasionally get sleepy. That's not being negative since occasionally my job drains my mental energy. However, if you want to protect your mind from negativity, there is one easy thing you can do. Gratitude. Positivity is wiped out by gratitude. I'll demonstrate how it functions for you. When you first get up in the morning, you begin to think negatively. My day is not today. I'm going crazy. I'm just not feeling it. When you catch yourself doing that in the midst of the day, pause just for a moment and begin listing all the things you have to be thankful for. Not everything you desire, but everything you already own. Because what you currently possess is significant. Simply put, you haven't reviewed the list and conducted an inventory in a while. Nevertheless, it is a blessing that you are able to walk. Another benefit is the fact that you were able to wake up to the fact that you can see, think, and reason. Another blessing is having the ability to acquire some food by going there. Another blessing is having the ability to enter a location, turn the key, and declare it your home. Another blessing is that it is a gift to be able to dream. It's another blessing that you have the chance to do it well, yet I'm not even close to knowing you. I could list 50 things for which you currently have reason to be thankful. I've never even met you. Begin to fill your thoughts with appreciation. Everything will alter for you as a result. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Start coding your mind with gratitude. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and turn on notification bell so you'll know when I upload new content. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video.